Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Agrari, and you all are listening me on CSBIS Academy platform. I'm a faculty of Science and Environment and taking classes for UPSC aspirants from last more than 2 decades. Uh, Today's topic of discussion is Adit Talban. Adit Talban is very popular topic, and you people know very well from the long back. Adit Talban is in the news, but still UPSC did not ask any single question for Adit Talban either in the prelims or mains paper. I still remember, guys, Adit Talban was first time in the news in 2010. Aditya Talban was firstly I found a news in 2010. In 2010, a news published from ISRO websites like India has planning to send in the coming future this first solar mission. Okay, first solar mission and second astronomical mission, guys. Okay, so Aditya Talban, the first point I can tell you, it is the first solar mission. It is the first solar mission, and I can tell you this is the second astronomical satellite. Second astronomical satellite of India. Astronomical satellite of India. Okay. If anybody will ask you what is Aditya Talvan, so you remember as an introduction, the correct statement is it is the first solar mission of India. Many other countries earlier even launched the solar mission, but in the reference of it is the first one. And second point, it is the second astronomical satellite of India. So again, now you people have a question. If it is a second astronomical satellite, so which one is the first astronomical satellite? Actually, the first astronomical satellite is actually this is the AstroSat. This AstroSat as a first astronomical satellite was launched in September 2015. But my motive is to discussion about the Aditya Talvan. That's why I'm telling you Aditya Talvan is a second astronomical satellite. So अगर आदित्य Talvan is a second astronomical, so which one is the first astronomical? Is the AstroSat, those ISRO launched in September 2015. Question is why Aditya Talvan is very very important. The reason is actually this Aditya Talvan will help us to understand about the mysteries of sun. There's a lot of solar mysteries are there, guys, and for the identification of these kind of various informations about solar mysteries, Aditya Talvan will be helpful, guys. Definitely you will like to know, sir, which kind of mysteries Aditya Talvan will help to get the answer and conclusion here, guys. So here I can tell you guys in the case of mysteries of the sun, guys, just like solar flare, just like solar flare, just like solar wind, just like solar tsunami, just like whenever the solar flare, sometimes solar flare is generating more and more into the sun, guys, and they're approaching towards the earth. Okay, actually, scientifically it is proved inside the sun some cycle is going on, and after 2 years, guys, 2 to 3 years, a small level of solar flare generates. But after 9 to 10 years, a massive size of solar flare generate, and that solar flare sometime approach towards the earth and become dangerous for any communication satellites. If any of the communication satellite, any satellites are coming in between from the solar flare and all, so it can destroy. Maybe, guys, it is stopped to work for a certain period of time. Even this solar flare can come on the earth's surface and can create a fire, guys. Depends. Even there is a lot of mysteries about the solar corona feature. Solar corona feature, if you see the outermost layer of the sun structure is called corona, guys. Okay, and this corona have very miscellaneous temperature. Those generally not appear on the surface of sun. So these kind of mysteries, for that purposes, here Aditya Talvan will literally help us. Aditya Talvan was planned actually in 2010. First time I got a news. In the coming future, by 2017, India will make successful our Aditya Talvan, and Aditya Talvan will launch with the help of one of the PSLV variant of the launch vehicle, PSLV XL variant. So PSLV XL variant of launch vehicle will use to launch these satellites. But this satellite was launched, I think you people know very well, on 2nd September 2023. 2nd September 2023, and it reached at L1 point. It reached at L1 point on January 1st week 2024. So sent from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, that is India's launch vehicle center, India's launching center, Satish Dhawan Space Center, that is located toward the Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, on 2nd September 2023, it launched and reached in the first week of January 2024 at L1 points. And the distance from this to this, from the Earth to L1 point, it's around 1.5 million kilometer. It is around 1.5 million kilometer from the Earth's surface. It was around 1.5 million kilometer from the Earth's surface. This L1 point is very specific place, guys. Okay, why at L1 point we have to send them, guys? There is some specific reason. And where is the L1 point? For that understanding, I want to tell you the name of one of the mathematician, and the name of that mathematician is the Lagrange. Lagrange. Lagrange is that mathematician, guys, who firstly informed about the certain locations that are available in the space, guys, between two celestial bodies. In the reference of ADITYA 1, what about the studies of the celestial bodies? From Earth, we are sending the satellites for the study of Sun. Then reference of two celestial bodies, we are putting the ADITYA 1. One is the Earth and second is Sun. L1 point is very specific point, and that study is even performed by one of the mathematician. His name is a Lagrange. And that's why the first alphabet of Lagrange is used to identify this particular locations. Lagrange informed total 5 point, guys: L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. Again I repeat, Lagrange informed there is total 5 points which are very specific between two celestial bodies. In my reference, this time I'm telling you between Sun and Earth. But at which location generally Adit even sent? At L1 place. And that's why Adit got very popular as a name of Adit L1. Now question is, why this L1 is very specific, which is at a distance of 1.5 million kilometer from the Earth's surface. And it is located toward the sun side, guys. See, I brought this picture, and in this picture, you can understand everything very well, guys. This is the entire picture, and try to understand here, guys. Try to understand here, guys. This is what? This is sun. This is sun. What is it? This is Earth. What is it? This is sun. And what is this? This is Earth, guys. Earth. Just from the Earth at the 1.5 million kilometer distance, this is the position. 1.5 million kilometer, 1.5 million kilometer. Here Adit L1 placed. Here it is what? It is a Adit L1, those placed. Similarly, 5 point you can see here, L2 point is toward opposite side. Okay, it is toward the sun side. It is opposite side of sun, that is the L2 point. This time I'm not discussing about the importance of L2 point, but I just want to introduce here, guys, those James Webb telescope launched in December 2021. It was placed at L2 point actually. But I am not going to concern right now about the James Webb telescope, because this topic of discussion is the Aditya L1. Aditya L1 is placed at this place, which is 1.5 million kilometer from the Earth and located toward the sun side. Similarly, some other position also there like L3, L4, L5. L3, you can see this is the total opposite side of sun, guys, that I can tell you. If you want to send any spacecraft, that spacecraft do the study of far side, opposite side of sun structure. So for that purpose, you should have to put the satellite at L3 point. L4, L5 are the same position, guys. Okay, see, in this position is the same position, and it is located at the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means equal angle, equal angle, equal angle, equal angle, equal angle, equal angle. This is called equilateral triangle. The feature of L4 and the feature of L5 both are same. But I'm not going to discuss with you about all the points. This L1 point is very specific here right now. Definitely you will ask me, sir, what is the importance of the L1 point? Actually, guys, this is that position. There is various natural forces. Various natural forces like gravitational force. Various natural force like gravitational force. Like Coriolis force. Like Coriolis force. Like centrifugal force. Like centrifugal force, like centripetal force. There are so many forces are there, guys. Those exist in the nature, in the Brahman, guys. Okay, gravitational force, Coriolis force, centrifugal force. These all the forces may create certain problem to be a spacecraft in the particular location. But L1 point is that position, guys. In this position, it is a balanced or equilibrium point. That's why if I put any spacecraft here, so there's no issues and no problems to be here. And here satellite will focus every moment of time sun without any restrictions. Even in this location, guys, as like these various forces come in equilibrium or balance, here satellite have no need of any energy to be positioned in that particular areas. It's a balance point. And even in this L1 point, guys, if any kind of solar eclipse happen, still in this position have no problem. And that's why in every moment of time from this location, we can watch sun. And what about the mysteries of sun, those characteristics feature of sun, we want to do study of them, every function become possible, every observation become possible. So this is the reason this is a very important topic, those I'm expecting for your examination. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this all the ADITYA L1 session, and definitely it will help you a lot. And kindly follow this science and technology book. Those are available in McGraw-Hill platform, 8th edition book. Thank you, everyone. God bless you.